Today I will show you how to change the refrigerant in the showcase. The replaced refrigerant is a traditional R404a refrigerant at a weight of 360 grams. The refrigerant for which we will change is ECO22 refrigerant ECO22, which is suitable for replacing R507, R407, R22 and R404a. Now we will refill the refrigeration unit with ECO22 refrigerant. The compressor is filled with POE 160 synthetic oil. An oil change is absolutely not required because this refrigerant is soluble in synthetic and mineral oils. So now let's start refilling. We connect a low pressure motometer, then we connect the installation to the vacuum pump, open the tap and look at the pressure level on the motometer now. That is 0 is atmospheric pressure and -1 is vacuum. Naturally we will not able to bring the installation to complete vacuum, but all the air will be pumped out. The showcase from UBCgroup, model NICO, its size is 70 meters by 75 meters. It was previously charged with R404a refrigerant weighing 360 grams. The tank weighs 610 grams. From the start I will fill only 180 grams, so half. Then I will look at the system, either it will be necessary to add it or release it a little bit. $465 grams should be on the scales. The final number should be like this on the scales. Further, we see no point to refueling because it's already stretching back. The end result was less than expected. During the experiment, the ECO22 refrigerant showed its best side. We didn't change an oil in the compressor, the system has been evacuated and charged with this refrigerant. In the end, we needed in 3 times less the refrigerant. Its weight was 120 grams. The showcase enters the mode, works perfectly. The pressure in the system at the boiling point is -23 degrees, which corresponds to the calculated data. So the ECO22 refrigerant is quite suitable for replacing the R404a refrigerant.